Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your primary phone number in Wise app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see the profile picture at the top left corner. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you will be able to see the personal details over here. So you need to select the personal details, and now you'll be redirected to the another page where you can change your personal details from here successfully, and you can also change your address from here. But let's get back to the topic, and now you can see the change primary phone at the middle of the screen. So simply select that, and now you can see it is written change primary phone number. Will text another verification code to your new number to confirm it. So simply you need to do is you need to add your new number over here and tap on the continue, and you will get the verification code. And once you confirm it and once you verify yourself, you will be able to change your primary phone number successfully. So basically this is how you can change your primary phone number in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.